Guys, welcome back to yet another exciting episode. If you are new here, my name is Zippy Nyangweso, and for the returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back. So guys, in today's episode, I'm going to take you through the process of unboxing a new fridge. Yes, we have a new refrigerator in the house. This is something I've always wished to have. I'm so excited. So without wasting much time, let's go straight into the video. In this video, I show you how to unbox and install my new Armco refrigerator. Disclaimer guys, this is not a paid ad. I'm just giving my genuine review and reasons as to why I went for this particular fridge. Thank you. So to you now, I present Armco fridge model ARF-NF238DS. Yeah, it is a top quality brand guys, very stylish with a modern design. That's why I chose it for my kitchen. And no frost, thus making it easier to clean. You need not to manually clean the freezer. So it holds to a capacity of 200 liters guys, which is okay for 2-3 people. Yes, for 2 to 3 people. Yes, it has great features guys. It has fresh zone, also multi airflow, and this is the most important thing I want you guys to hear. It comes with 3 years warranty. That's why I went for this fridge. Yes, it has separate doors, up and down doors for the freezer and the fridge, thus preventing energy loss guys. As you can see also guys, the fridge comes with the ice cube maker. If you are an ice cube lover, you are sorted with this. Yes, it has so many compartments guys. Yes, it is very spacious and sleek, as you can see from the picture guys. I love everything about it. Yeah. So we finished guys removing the packaging. We have already leveled the fridge. As you can see, we've already leveled the fridge. Another thing, guys, always leave the fridge to wait up to 24 hours before plugging in. Reason being, fridges and freezers are full of fluid that is used to cool the compartments. So while in transit, the appliance gets shaken around, so it's always best to let everything settle before you plug in. So in our case, the fridge came yesterday, so this is another day. That's why we've plugged in. As you can see, oh, this is awesome. Yeah, this is awesome. I like it. The delivery guy is trying to explain how I can adjust the temperatures. So the last thing we are going to do is to fix the handles. Yes, we have handle for the freezer and for the fridge. Look at that. So beautiful, guys. That's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.